Welcome to this session. In this video, we learn projection of solid with axis inclined to one of the reference planes and parallel to other. So when such a type of condition arises, so we have to solve this problem in two stages. In the initial stage, the solid is assumed to be in the simple position, that is axis perpendicular to one of the planes. And second one, the final projection may be obtained by one of the following two methods: alteration methods and alteration of reference line or auxiliary plane method. So we want to use alteration method. Now let us see the problem. A square prism, base 40 mm side and height 65 mm, has its axis inclined at 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Draw its projections. So in initial position, first of all draw the true shape of objects which is obtained in top view and front view of an objects. So first of all, draw the initial position. Draw XY line. Look at the center of square prism. After that, take the projection from top view to front view of an object. After that, axis height is given. Axis height is 65 mm. So this is the initial position of square prism. Give the names and dimensions. For top view, we want to give the dimension without dash, and front view, we want to give the names dash. Now in final position, the axis is inclined to HP. It means that when you want to draw the final position, you want to change the front view and the axis is inclined at 45 degree to HP. It means that in compass or take one point and from this point draw a line at an angle of 45 degree. The side of base is 40 mm, so you want to take the distance in such a way that it cuts the XY line of side 20 mm, and from this point you want to measure 65 mm axis height. Now 1 dash 2 dash is at the bottom. And show the position of the observer. It is very important for solving such type of problems. Transfer all the points from final position of front view to top view and top view to top view. And look at the projection of points. So this is the base. I want to look at 1. This point represents 1. 2. This point represents 2. 3. 4. Again here top face A, B, C, D, and axis represents S and O. Now case of visibility. First of all, make a outline of border of a square prisms. It implies visible lines. So first of all, draw a dark line or visible lines. When you are looking from top, the top surface of square prism look like visible lines. So top face A, B, C, D, it look like dark one. Already AB is dark. Now when you are looking from top, CD is also dark. So shown CD is dark line. Now when you are looking from top, the line which intersect or which cuts the XY line, 1 dash and 2 dash, this edge represents dotted lines. So this is the invisible line or hidden lines, and show the axis is center line. So this is the final solution when the square prism inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Thank you.